Many say, who do you wish to see as the next Tamil Nadu Chief Minister? Overall performance of the state government, let's start with that. 36%, so it's a below 40% approval rating for MK Stalin-led government of the DMK. 39% say it is poor, so clearly there is a sentiment, 3% sentiment of anti-incumbency compared to an even Steven in Bengal. The DMK and MK Stalin have a negative perception right now. Let's see how that translates further into other questions. Let's move to the other questions if we can. The next question is on the who would you wish to see as the next Tamil Nadu Chief Minister? It's again 50-50 split between these two people here. MK Stalin and Edappadi Palaniswamy at 39% viewers, 14% for Vijay. So clearly he's not made that big an impact as was expected. And if the vote share of the TVK is less than or around this number, then things consolidate in favor of the ADMK. That's what many experts say. We'll see, because there are different numbers that will come through, different projections that will come through. Let's quickly look at these. Which party's manifesto stands out? DMK 34%, again ADMK 39%. So more people believe that the ADMK's manifesto stands out compared to the DMK. Again, let's move forward quickly and get through the numbers. We'll put out all the numbers together. Will the DMK break the trend and return to power? 36% say yes, and they are saying no, the ADMK will win. So the, musical chair continues. So it was only Selvi J. Jayalalitha who bucked the trend in 2016. Now it's going to be the shift of loyalties or shift of power in favor of the NDA or the ADMK. Quickly look at the vote share. Again, the vote share progressively over the last 3 weeks from 23rd March to the 6th of April. If you were to look at all the numbers together, the DMK remains the same. It's actually slipped 1% from the 23rd of March to 30th and the 6th. It's at 39%. But it's the ADMK that's slowly moving up. It's a 2% shift towards the ADMK, and it has now been able to open up a 2% gap. In Tamil Nadu, it's a 2.5%. 2.5%, 2 to 2.5% that actually decides the seat in terms of the swing viewers. And clearly from the TVK, this number has dropped and it's moved towards the ADMK. That's what we are seeing. So the TVK voter, the disgruntled voter looking for an alternative from the DMK, thought it will be TVK, but now has said no, it's better, ADMK is a better choice. And if you look at here, again the undecided, largely 1% shift, but it's all happening in favor of the ADMK. Quickly look at the seats, and here's where this 2% difference in the vote share could mean that the ADMK sits comfortably on the majority number. 117, 118 is the number here in the 234 assembly constituencies. 130 very clearly, comfortably, at least 13 seats past the majority number. The DMK is actually falling short here. In fact, week after week, it's only slipped. It's slipped 14 seats, viewers. It was at 123, it slipped to 114, and then it's come to 100. That's what's happened with the Vote Vibe vote tracker. We're just qualified.